Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this program, we will be comparing three different sorting algorithms and how quickly they are able to sort an unsorted integer array list. This program is just me setting up the mini test by calling all the sorting algorithms and using the time library to see how quickly each operation is performed. One key idea I wanted to point out in this video is the way I was able to utilize the code I have written in another program in this one. As you can see, I included the entire C program from my previous video in this one. Video chapter 811 contains only the insertion sort algorithm. In order to use the previous code, I included the entire code in the program, similar to the way we will include any other library when writing our code. I would also like to point out that even though I declare the function as well before calling it in the code for the test, you do not have to do this at all. I put it there as a frame of reference, meaning that if someone else were to see this code for the first time and wanted to know where certain functions came from or how they work, they can just use the function declaration as a frame of reference. So note that you do not have to declare the function at all in your code. So that's pretty much it. This is just another neat trick for you to utilize in your code. You may create a C program file that contains everything to do with arrays. That specific program can contain sort and algorithm functions, print functions, a function that can create a subarray of the original, and many more. The good thing is that all these functions will be stored inside of one C file for later use, as you have seen it done here. So that is pretty much it for this video. The main key takeaways are the way to utilize previously written code and new ones. I wouldn't take the results of the sorting algorithms too seriously because with a sample size this small, you will see the difference is almost negligible. Usually, in order to test the effectiveness of an algorithm, the space and time complexity is tested against infinite input sizes, meaning how much time and space does your algorithm require to complete a task as the input size grows to infinity. But then we will be going into the realm of data structures and algorithms, and that is not the point of this video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to leave a like if this video helped you out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks and bye.